How do you plant bulbs, and when? You plant bulbs from the end of summer throughout the fall, or from mid-September to mid-December. The earlier you plant them, the earlier they will come up next spring. During a frost, you can't plant, and you must not plant. Do not plant if there is a ground frost, nor when it is very wet. Do not plant bulbs then, because they will rot right away. And they will definitely not come up again next spring. The depth of the hole in the soil, which you can do with this special bulb planter, depends on the size of the bulb. About 2 to 3 times the girth of the bulb. That's how deep you must dig. It also likes an airy soil, so break up the soil a little first and plant afterwards. And if you do not have a special bulb planter, it's easy enough to do it with a trowel as well. But more important are the flowering periods, because you want to enjoy them as long as possible. So think about it. Take some early flowering species, for example, snowdrops, then plant crocuses, and follow that with daffodils. You have early and late daffodils, say March and April, then tulips. So if you're clever, on one and the same spot, you can create several highlights during the season. And what I often like to do in gardens is that with deciduous plants, such as groups of hydrangeas or ornamental grass, I pick early flowering species, like daffodils. For example, these yellow daffodils. Plant whole groups of them. So when your hydrangeas or grass start sprouting leaves, you have had your daffodils. They die, and you cut them back in late April. Then the grass and hydrangeas come up. Fabulous. Meanwhile, you have made use twice of the same plot of land.